Yeah. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm feeling a little fall. I mean, you know, when in Rome. I couldn't find my cat headband, so we're a little bunny today. Today we're gonna be doing, obviously, a review of a new foundation. It's not new. I've had this here for a while, but I kind of forgot about it. So we are gonna be trying out the Cover FX Power Play. This case, this beautiful like suede case, is full of cat hair, full of makeup, but I got them all in here. I mean, hi, this is like so generous of Cover FX, so thank you so much. And this is heavy. This must weigh like, I don't know, 15 pounds. I know dick all about this foundation. I do have a little like cue card here, and I did look it up on Sephora.com just to look at the reviews. So currently there are over 1,000 reviews online, and it's sitting at just over 4 stars. What I really like about this, like at first glance, is the color selection. There are 40 different shades, which is phenomenal. They're really inclusive when it comes to their shade range. There's a lot of deeper tones down here. I feel like there could almost be a couple more deeper tones and less mid-tones, but for the most part, for launching a brand new foundation, I feel like this is a pretty decent color range. What is this? What is this boy? I can't even do anything without you here. Oh, he's so cute, my boy. Look at these toes. Oh my God. These fluffy feet. What am I gonna do? Oh, are you a dinosaur? Yeah. Oh, my boy. Okay. Because it's the end of summer, I have like a little bit of a tan going on right now, so I don't even think I'm gonna be the lightest shade, which is shocking. As you can see, the light shades are super light, and I'm thinking I'm gonna be about this guy, I'm assuming. So we're gonna try that one on first. This does retail for $52. Pretty standard pricing when it comes to a Cover FX foundation. It's a little bit pricier than, you know, your average like $40 foundation, but you do get a fluid ounce, which is pretty standard as well. This doesn't have a pump, it just has a little nozzle, which I'll show you right now. I actually lied to you. It has 1.18 fluid ounces, which is more than your standard foundation. So just a twist cap, and then it has like a little nozzle dropper bit here. Okay, my dude, where are you gonna go? What do you wanna do? Okay. Oh, before we get into putting it on my face, the whole shtick with this is, okay, when it comes to sweat, shine, creases, water, oil, they've got it covered. So this is the ultimate power play. It is a weightless, modern matte finish that has good for you ingredients in all day wear. And it's for normal to oily combination skin type. So it's for everybody, and it's supposed to combat everything, and it has a nice matte finish. Yes, boy. What do you want with me? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, so cutie. Kisses. You want to put this on your head? What is this? So let's get this on our face. I have not primed, so I'm going to be priming with the Makeup Forever One Step. This is the Hydrating Primer. I've been really liking this primer. Okay, okay, boy, that's a good boy there. Okay, sure. Okay. And this time I'll remember I have my eyes done. This smells like, it reminds me of something. Like the scent like takes me back somewhere, but I don't know where. But like it's a good time. I don't really know. So the color I'm gonna be using is N10, which is not the lightest. It's the third from the lightest. And how I'm gonna be applying this is with my beauty blender. I've just been living for applying with beauty blenders lately, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna pop some on the back of my hand here. Yeah, boy, isn't that fun? Yeah. Oh no! I knew this was gonna happen. It's all in your tail. Today's kind of the perfect day to try on a foundation. I'm really broken out down here, and I have like a zit on my neck here because I've had an earache, so I've been putting essential oils on it, and it's just broken me out. So this is the perfect time. So what I'm seeing already is that the Beauty Blender, it's soaked up quite a bit of the product. Like it soaked it all up from on the back of my hand. So we're gonna put a wee bit more. Yeah, the Beauty Blender is really soaking it up, and this Beauty Blender is like wet. But it is covering nicely. I may have even gone like maybe one shade deeper, but we'll continue. It looks really like effortless, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna pick a wee bit more up and try and just like use this as concealer as well, because I love doing that. All right, so there's essentially a good solid layer. That's what I would do for my day to day. Looking at this, did it cover this? Yes. But I think because this foundation is really like natural looking and I don't feel like it's very heavy, it's not like caking over this. And you know how like some foundations like cake over and then it's full coverage? I'm really not minding the fact that this doesn't completely 100% cover that, because this looks so like natural and nice. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Oh, I should have gone maybe a shade deeper. I'm like still adjusting to the fact that I have a little bit of sun. We did well, not we, but I did a Corona commercial this summer, and it was on the hottest days of summer, and it was 36 and 37 degrees outside, and we were filming outside because we were filming like Manitoba things. And I got a little bit of a tan. Look at me go. Okay, so I'm going to apply it on the other side. I put quite a bit out on my hand here. I'm thinking maybe I won't need it all, but we'll see. Oh, someone also commented about like me like swiping my Beauty Blender. When I swipe my Beauty Blender, it's to move the product around my face, because if I go like this, it's just taking way too much time. So I swipe it and then I bop it around. Just so y'all know. I know you're not supposed to swipe on with the Beauty Blender, but it's just my like natural movement with it, which I don't see a problem. It works. So there's it applied. I'm already seeing on my chin where my chin's a little bit drier. Oh my god, this is way too light for me. I need to warm this up. I'm seeing it kind of dry up around my dry skin right here. So if you do have drier skin like me, whoo, make sure you do moisturize quite a bit before. I probably put a moisturizer on 2 hours ago, so just keep that in mind. Overall, I'm not hating it. It's definitely not like on the full side of full coverage. It's like a full coverage. It does a pretty good job. I mean, my like little boo-boos here are like super dark, so you know, I'm pretty impressed with the coverage of it. I'm right now just going to contour and finish my face just so this evens out a little bit more, and I'll check back with you. Okay, so I finished my face. I didn't put concealer on because I didn't feel like I needed it with this foundation. I will say this though, it does have a matte finish and I can tell because it does have a little crack malac around my nose here. But I mean, that happens with most foundations, to be honest. I'm excited to see how this wears. Right now it looks pretty good. It looks pretty flawless. I didn't put concealer on any of these little bits just because I don't want to mess with any concealer. Wow, I feel like I look so fall right now. I'm wearing on my lips Downtown Beauty by NYX. It's a liquid suede. I haven't put this on in like years, like 2 years, and I'm living for that. As of right now, I really like this foundation. It looks flawless. It looks like something I would grab and go for. It's just kind of like that perfect everyday kind of look. It's not too much, but it's not like too little either. I'm really digging it. What do you guys think? Does it look good? I'm asking like you guys can answer me. I'm gonna go get an oil change on my car, and we're gonna see what this looks like after my oil change. So I am gonna check in with you guys after. So yeah, I can see this, but like on any like sane person would put a concealer over top of that. You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm gonna get an oil change and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, we're back. It's very yellow. Why is this so yellow? I don't even know. We have a baby here now, by the way, because she's Sweetie. Hey, my sweetie. She's like unimpressed. Okay, so it's been a few hours. I'm gonna say, I hope you guys can see this. This foundation has cracked around my nose. It feels really lightweight. It hasn't really budged at all. I did set it with a tiny little bit of powder. I really didn't put, oh my God, both cats are here now. Oh my God, this is magic. I didn't put a lot of powder on. And I was out in the 26-degree weather sitting in the sun and it really hasn't budged. I was really afraid that it would move, but my foundation never really moves. I'm usually like, I can wear it for like a solid 16 hours. But I would like to have put like a concealer over here on my little bits and bobs, you know? But overall, it's not a bad foundation for like an everyday kind of thing. If you're wanting a little bit more fuller coverage, like full coverage foundation, I don't know if this is specifically for you, but I mean, this is nice for like an everyday kind of thing where it's not like too much. It looks really natural, and that's what I'm really impressed with. Like, you can still see your skin through it. It's not cakey, it's not heavy. And I didn't even put like a pore refining primer or anything on, and I look pretty smooth, which I'm pretty impressed with. So overall, I do really like this foundation, and I'll definitely be wearing it again. I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, I like it. So if you've tried it, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And if you're gonna be trying it, oh my God, I have all this broken hair. You know what this is from? I bet you guys can guess what that's from. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and me and baby will see you in the next one. Won't we, sweetie? Look at these toes. Oh my God. Look at this bum. It's so cute. Oh, her little butthole. No, look at it. Okay. Anyway, oh, okay. See you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.